Dogs need a diet high in protein and fat, as well as small amounts of fruit, vegetables and other ingredients, ideally from quality ingredients and minimal processing, to deliver the essential vitamins and minerals they need as naturally as possible. There can be a big difference though between the promises on pack and what you actually are feeding your dog, especially when it comes to the nutritional values, as Chris from Big Dog Pet Foods explains.
The difference between meat and meat meal is quite extensive actually. They're really nothing alike. Meat, as everyone knows, is meat. It's nice, it's fresh, it's ready to go. When we're talking about meat meal, and you will see this on the labelling of some pet foods out there, but really that is a byproduct that has been exposed to incredibly high temperatures and totally denatured. Fruit and vegetables are important in the dog's diet as well, but really what we're chasing there is fibre. It's truly essential, but we're also chasing the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, and also the moisture content. The moisture is very important in a dog's natural diet. That's really what carries the vitamins and minerals throughout the body. From a vitamins and minerals perspective, having raw, fresh quality there is absolutely essential.
Ensuring your dog has a complete and balanced diet is vital, with the minimum nutrients for dog and cat food set by the National Research Council and regulated by AAFCO in the US. Highly processed, dry and canned dog foods have to add synthetic vitamins and minerals back into their food to meet these standards. However, Big Dog is the first Australian commercial raw food diet to receive the AAFCO accreditation naturally, and did this through feeding trials. They also achieved this using 100% Australian-sourced products, including their salmon from the Huon Valley in Tasmania, locally grown organic vegetables, meats and other ingredients from right across the eastern seaboard. So how does Big Dog ensure their food is kept safe and fresh and each serve is complete and balanced?
The food's kept safe and fresh in our process right from the first days that we receive it. So there'll be an inspection process, and then once that product's passed through our factory, we use constant temperature control to keep the raw ingredients fresh. We have 2 metal detectors set up in the factory. One's an in-process metal detector, and we also have the second one, which is a finished goods metal detector. It's just another line of defence really to ensure that we have some sort of protection there from metal.
Big Dog also chooses to deliver their food in frozen patties to avoid the use of heat or artificial preservatives.
There are other methods of preservation out there which involves heating the product. Unfortunately, once you start heating the product, you're going to start knocking around the nutritional levels of that food. So you're really denaturing the product, which is really is defeating the purpose of raw diets.
It's important you know and can trust what's really in your dog's food. Start with the ingredients list and then look for real fresh meat at the beginning. If you see anything that you don't understand or are unsure about, then you should be able to contact the manufacturer and ask them to explain the ingredients they use and why, just as you can with Big Dog. You might even get the founder and CEO, Chris, on the phone.
Here at Big Dog, we believe in full transparency. We don't want your dogs just to survive, we want them to thrive.